Video 8. Discussing my daily ritual. I'm explaining all the points so that my family is not ridiculed. Part 2. 10th point of my daily ritual. विष्णु अवतार की शक्तियां तंत्र बेचकर पैसा कमाने के लिए नहीं है। सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद को विष्णु अवतार की शक्तियों से तंत्र बेचने की आज्ञा नहीं है। वही होगा जो महाविष्णु चाहते हैं। महापापी सुब्रमण्यम अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है। महापापी उपाध्याय अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है। महापापी आत्मानंद अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है। महापापी अपने पापों की यातना स्वयं भोगता है। The three gurus have plans to get left hand Shakti and Tantra card Shakti to sell and make money out of my energies. They had taken sankalpa or vow for the same. One day while doing this ritual in my backyard, a big mouse came close by, but I shooed it away. Ganpati is the Bhagwan of Tantra, so a mouse being his vehicle appeared. It was a sign that Bhagwan Vishnu would not let their sankalpa be fulfilled. 11th point. सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद मुझे और कनिका को बाथरूम में देखते हैं। यह अधर्म है। महापापी सुब्रमण्यम अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है। महापापी उपाध्याय अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है। महापापी आत्मानंद अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है। महापापी अपने पापों की यातना स्वयं भोगता है। They have their third eye visions. भगवान श्री कृष्ण sports a peacock feather on his head. When a peacock raises its feathers, it is practically exposing its shame. Awakened people must honor their visions in the field of silence, as everything is naked in existence because truth is thus revealed. But these Sri Vidya Gurus have not evolved from Shadripu, and they believe if a woman is given suffering of her shame, that being extreme suffering for her, they would burn out a lot of their papa karmas. They pick up on that suffering through a sankalpa or a vow and use it for themselves. They use it to alter the woman's suffering with their papa karmas. Ethically, they are supposed to change their focus and not peep into anyone's bathrooms. So all sadhikas, female sadhikas, must wear a frock while bathing. We use a frock made out of baby towel. They put their papa karmas in my family's kala and make my family and myself suffer their every papa karma terribly on their behalf. We are a victim of spiritual terrorism. 12th point of my daily ritual. सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद स्त्रियों के बलात्कार के दृश्य से जो असत्य हैं, तंत्र बेचकर पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं। तंत्र के लिए किसी भी स्त्री का अंग प्रदर्शन करके पैसा कमाना गुरु का महापाप है। This is their terrible plan to make quick money. They have made visions of female sadhikas being raped in 5 different ways. They will be using those films to sell tantra, to sell enhanced sex pleasures to general public, to make quick money. They will use the earnings to do great projects. This is a huge papa karma on the 3 Sri Vidya Gurus. No females or kids must go to their center or participate in their meditation programs. This is my message to humanity. And for all their malpractices, they make my family and myself suffer the yatna of their papa karmas, acquired by doing malpractices on us. We are a victim of spiritual terrorism. 3rd point of my daily ritual. सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद ने अपने पापों की यातना देने के लिए मुझे और मेरे परिवार को 5 साल से स्लेव बनाकर, घोर पीड़ा देकर मेरी साधना रोक रखी है। 5 साल से 24 घंटे मेरे परिवार पर सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद अत्याचार कर रहे हैं. Mine is a spontaneous sadhana. It should have been completed within 3 months. But it's been 5 years and still being withheld by installing energy blocks and energy blades on my head. They have also not let my Nada energy flow towards me by changing my axis. They have chosen my family to suffer on their behalf for their pap karmas. They wish to evolve and make big after my family was suffered on their behalf. After my family has suffered on their behalf. They have made us slaves with inhumane malpractices and to have a control over me and to use my energies. That is again malpractice, to pull energy cords from a sadhaka, to steal energy and use it to fill up their system, become great and earn money on basis of my energies. They don't let anyone steal their energies, but they have authorized themselves to pull my energies and steal and become great. They have cut off their connections from Siddhalok by blocking each other from their self, from the second impulse of the self. So they are but fake gurus. And to put their pap karmas in my family's kala, they make my family and myself suffer terribly. And to do all kinds of malpractices and inflict their papa karmas on my family, and to escape the papa of these malpractices, they make my family and myself suffer again, extremely, on their behalf. We are a victim of spiritual terrorism. 14 point. आत्मानंद ने मेरे परिवार की कॉन्शियसनेस की विल पर अस्त्र चलाकर मेरे परिवार की पीड़ा काट दी है. 5 साल से 24 घंटे मेरे परिवार पर सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद अत्याचार कर रहे हैं. महापापी आत्मानंद अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. To hide their karmas from being noticed by awakened people who can see through their third eye, Atmananda has used a Shakti Astra or a divine weapon and cut off the visions of our sufferings from the will space of our consciousness. These were the visions of the sufferings that these gurus inflicted on us during these 5 years. They also wish to hide the visions from various Shakti that will flow after my sadhana is over. The Shakti would help me go against these gurus as they have been brutal to my family. And to do any malpractice, he makes my family and myself suffer terribly. They give us the suffering of their papa before interfering in existence. We are a victim of spiritual terrorism. And to interfere in existence, he makes my family and myself suffer terribly to escape the papa of this interference. We are a victim of spiritual terrorism. 15th point. आत्मानंद ने मुझे अवतार होने पर भी त्रिनेत्र की दृष्टि से वंचित रखा है. महापापी आत्मानंद अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. To commit their multiple inhumane plans to make us suffer on behalf of their papa karmas, to use my energies to become great on the basis of my energies, to grant themselves evolution through malpractice, to do great projects by earning by unfair means, and for all of their selfish intentions, they have not allowed me my rightful vision of third eye and not let me be skilled in the art of using Shakti in the field of silence. 16th point of my daily ritual. सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद अपने पाप मेरे परिवार के काल में डालकर और उन पापों के दृश्य हमारी सुषुम्ना में डालकर हमें यातना देते हैं. महापापी सुब्रमण्यम अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. महापापी उपाध्याय अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. महापापी आत्मानंद अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. महापापी अपने पापों की यातना स्वयं भोगता है. To emerge as a clean chit, they have put their papa karmas in my family's kala, stored visions of those papa karmas in our sushumna as we committing those papa karmas, visions of us suffering due to those visions of papa karmas. They have stored supramental programs of our lives entangled in those papa karmas. They have also programmed our brains, our plasma, with plasma programming of for changed DNA. They have taken my mind's processing power without my consent and many other terrible malpractices to suit their personal motives. And to put their pap karmas in my family's kala, they make my family and myself suffer terribly so that they do not get the papa of interfering in existence. We are a victim of spiritual terrorism. The 17th point of my daily ritual. सुब्रमण्यम उपाध्याय और आत्मानंद ने मेरे सेल्फ से मेरी शक्ति बाहर निकालकर अपना सिस्टम भरता है. महापापी सुब्रमण्यम अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. महापापी उपाध्याय अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. महापापी आत्मानंद अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. महापापी अपने पापों की यातना स्वयं भोगता है. The gurus did not allow them to pull energy cords from the guru's consciousness. Their gurus did not allow them to pull energy cords from the guru's consciousness, steal the guru's energy, and let the disciple evolve or use the guru's shakti and power. Their gurus made them do tapasya to earn shakti. Neither did these three gurus have allowed each other to use their energies. But these three gurus have authorized themselves to pull my energies. These malpractitioners want to misuse my energies, and if I allow them to do so, the papa of their actions goes in my account. So I have to fight my way out of their trap. We do not know their future plans and how they will achieve them. Also, they did not inform us that they will be indulging in left-hand tantric practices. 2. Atmananda's partner Subramanyam is a left-hand tantric. He will have aghoris coming to their center. Free us from your trap. The 18th point of my daily ritual. नादा उपाध्याय की कमाई नहीं है. उपाध्याय नाद से संसार में पाप सृजन करता है. महापापी उपाध्याय अधर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. This was also discussed in the group. Upadhyaya has not earned the access to another dimension by himself. He got it forcibly from some great being. Since his mind is not synced with the greatness of that dimension, he misuses the energy. He creates sufferings for sadhakas who have not committed any crimes. He manifests spiritual terrorism for them. He spreads cords on the grids of existence to control sadhakas and make them his puppets. He touches the private parts of female sadhaks with energy inappropriately through these grids and makes them uncomfortable in the group. After some time, these sadhikas become shameless and their atmabal gets reduced. He does this to prepare them to not mind being seen or used. Please go through my post on video 1 for detailed explanation. Atmananda, my 19th point of my daily ritual. आत्मानंदा असत्य दृश्य मेरे परिवार की सुषुम्ना में डालकर पाप सृजन करता है. आत्मानंद अपने पाप मेरे परिवार के काल में डालकर महापाप करता है. कनुभाई, कविता, चेतन, कनिका ने कोई पाप नहीं करा है. मेरे परिवार ने कोई पाप नहीं करा है. महापापी आत्मानंद धर्मी है, मैल प्रैक्टिस करता है. Atmananda has pulled energy cords from my Nada dimension. He hasn't earned it. He puts false visions in the Sushumna of my family and creates Papa Karmas for us. With this design of our Sushumna, we will suffer on his behalf for his Papa Karmas or sins. He also puts his papakarmas in the kala or the time of my family to escape penance or the sufferings or yatana of his papakarmas. And to put his papakarmas in my family's kala, he makes my family and myself suffer terribly. We are a victim of spiritual terrorism. Thank you.